When we travel, we try new things and make the most of every moment. And at AIR, we're big believers in this mindset. Whether you're commuting to work or flying abroad, embrace the journey ahead.
Cold case gear is a product born out of frustration. After nights in the backcountry of Minnesota, with temps plummeting down to -30, and days in the Badlands of South Dakota reaching over 100, we knew there had to be a way to make these temperatures less horrendous on our gear. Have you ever been hiking out in the cold, only to have your food freeze, your water turn to ice, and all of your batteries die, seemingly at the same time? Us too. That's why we invented cold case gear. We make an innovative line of products to insulate your food, water, fuel, and electronics. We'll keep your food from freezing or melting, keep your water bladder flowing all winter long, we'll maintain the charge on your batteries no matter how cold it gets, and we'll maintain your fuel's efficiency even in the bitter. Cold case gear is the ultimate outdoors insulation tool. We make gear to protect all of your essentials: food, water, fuel, and electronics. No more Cliff Bars that have turned into jawbreakers, no more dead phones and batteries, no melted chocolate, and no more useless fuel canisters. Our gear is ultra light and ultra insulating. Cold case gear can truly be used for everything. Heck, we love to even use it for grocery store runs to keep our ice cream frozen on the way home. Here are some of the primary examples: water, food, fuel canisters, batteries, electronic devices, water filters, medication. Cold Case Gear was born to combat the worst temperatures on Earth and to build a system of temperature regulating products to ease the burn of fire and ice. We look forward to bringing you innovative solutions that you never knew you needed.
With Moby Brewer 2.0, you can heat, brew, and drink coffee anywhere. And when we say anywhere, we mean everywhere.
Introducing 2 Plus X2 and S2 luxury suitcases, made from aircraft aluminum for both strength and beauty. Say goodbye to the traditional zippers with our patented one-touch open mechanism. Gives you quick access to whatever you need. The X2 carry-on has an adjustable pull rod that gives you 3 height limits to choose from, giving you added comfort and easy handling. Solid engineered wheels that are perfect for all floors and emits little sound hardly noticeable during motion. Inbuilt TSA lock system with just one click. It's open so you can get access to those gadgets you'll need on the way. A zippered and attachable cover that makes packing more fun and organized. The The X2 can contain up to 5 days luggage capacity, perfect for those long business trips. The S2 aluminum carry-on, another luxury suitcase from 2 Plus, offering you all the features in the X2, but only more portable at its 16 inches size, perfect for gentlemen and ladies of grace and elegance. Our unique patented one-touch open system eases the stress of using zippers, offering you a flexible open system that can tilt to any degree to let you grab whatever you need in a jiffy. Also present, the adjustable pull rods with 3 different height limits to suit you just fine. Soundproof wheels equal swift and smooth movement anywhere. The 2 Plus X2 and S2 carry-on comes in a variety of 3 colors: rose gold, silver, and black, whichever suits your taste. Travel with 2 Plus. Travel in style and elegance.
Hey, look at this blue tiny device. It's little, just like your little finger. S01 is our new AI voice recorder and interpreter that will totally change your way of taking notes, writing reports or scripts, recording lessons or meetings, and interpreting foreign speech, just like this. Sounds cool. But I can do all these things with my smartphone, you might say. That's right, you can easily record and you can take notes as well. But what if you were able to transcribe those words while you were actually recording? Like, instantly. Let me show you how it works in 2 simple steps. 1. Connect the S01 with your smartphone. 2. Either choose between simultaneous interpretation or normal recordings. Simultaneous interpretation. Select the input and output languages. There are more than 100 available. Press here and start talking. Esther can now have a smooth conversation with this entrepreneur from Brazil. He understands her by reading the words interpreted by the S01. Normal recordings. You probably have to interview someone, or you have to take notes at your company meetings. Maybe you need to record your lesson at school or university. There are lots of scenarios where you need to save both sound and text without spending hours to write down everything. You press this button on the top and start recording and transcribing. When you have finished, press Done. Easy, right? If you want, you can share the result as a Word file. But what if your phone is not around, or you just don't feel like bringing it? Here comes the great feature of our new S01. You can use it independently and record 10 hours straight with one charge. It's fantastic for when you need to save some ideas while you are driving, or you're doing the shopping list for the dinner while you're cleaning up your place and you can't write. You can participate to your company meetings without keeping your head down noting. Don't worry, later you can sync the device with your smartphone and the app will transcribe all your recordings in less than 5 minutes. S01 does not require an internet connection and can be easily associated with your smartphone via Bluetooth. Otherwise, you can simply plug in a Type-C headphones, press the volume buttons, and start the playback wherever you are, even without a smartphone. Wow! S01 has 32 gigabytes of internal storage, but you also have access to a cloud library, where you can easily play, edit, or delete your recordings directly from your computer. You can store hundreds of hours of recordings on the cloud, and feel free to download them whenever you want. We have partnered with Google and Microsoft for our service, and users' privacy is highly respected when their data are being stored on cloud. Pledge now our campaign and make your educational and professional life better with S01 by WASC, the blue tiny device that is little, just like your little finger.